Article 6, Part 1 of 5. Article 6. No state, without the consent of the United States, in Congress assembled, shall send any embassy to, or receive any embassy from, or enter into any conference, agreement, alliance, or treaty with any king, prince, or state, nor shall any person holding any office of profit or trust under the United States, or any of them, accept any present, emolument, office, or title of any kind whatsoever, from any king, prince, or foreign state. Nor shall the United States in Congress assembled, or any of them, grant any title of nobility. Embassy, 1756. A public message. A solemn message. Conference, 1756. Formal discourse, oral discussion of any question. An appointed meeting for discussing some point. Comparison. Confer. He that confers, he that bestows. Agreement, 1756. Accord. Resemblance of one thing to another. Compact, bargain. Concord, 1756. Agreement between person or things. Peace, union. Alliance, 1756. The state of connection with another by confederacy, a league. The persons allied to each other. Treaty, 1756. Negotiation, act of treating. A compact, an accommodation relating to public affairs. For entreaty, supplication, petition. King, 1756. Monarch, supreme governor. Prince, 1756. A sovereign, a chief ruler. A sovereign of rank, next to kings. A ruler of whatever sex. The son of a king, in England only the oldest son. The kingsman of a sovereign. The chief of any body of men. Sovereign, 1756. Supreme in power, having no superior. Supremely efficacious. Efficacious, 1756. Productive of effects. Powerful to produce the consequence intended. State, 1756. The community, the public, the commonwealth. A republic, a government not monarchical. The principal persons in the government. Profit, 1756. Gain, pecuniary advantage. Advantage, accession of good. Improvement, advantage, proficiency. Pecuniary, 1756. Relating to money, consisting of money. Accession, 1756. Increase by something added, enlargement. Augmentation. The act of coming together or joining oneself to, as accession to a confederacy. The act of arriving at, as the king's accession to the throne. Proficiency, 1756. Profit. Advantage in anything. Improvement gained. Trust, 1756. Confidence, reliance on another. Charge received in confidence. Confident opinion of any event. Credit given without any examination. Credit without payment. Something committed to one's faith. Deposit. Something committed to charge, of which an account must be given. Fidelity. Supposed honestly. State of him to whom something is entrusted. Present, 1756. A gift. A donative. Something ceremoniously given. A letter or mandate exhibited. Emolument, 1756. Profit. Advantage. Office, 1756. A public charge or employment. Agency, peculiar advantage. Business, particular employment. Rooms in a house appropriated to particular business. Place where business is transacted. Title, 1756. A general head comprising particulars. Any appellation of honor. A name, an appellation. A claim of right. Grant, 1756. The act of granting or bestowing. The thing granted, a gift, a boon. In law, a gift in writing of such a thing as cannot aptly be passed or conveyed by word only. Admission of something in dispute. Nobility. Nobility, 1756. Rank of dignity of several degrees, conferred by sovereigns. Nobility in England is extended to 5 ranks: Duke, Marquis, Earl, Viscount, Baron. The persons of high rank. Dignity, grandeur, greatness. Keynotes. This is the beginning of the list of powers prohibited to the states. The same concept is copied in the Constitution of the United States of America, in the last paragraph of Section 9. Our nation's government is supposed to be the only government level to negotiate with foreign countries that are not part of this Confederation Union, unless the entire body of Congress grants permission. No person in government is supposed to receive any additional money or other items, offices, or titles from foreign entities. Additionally, none of the states, and not even the nation's government, can grant any titles of nobility.